Okay, here we are by the side of my bed. Got that fan here. Anyway, this is the little blue, clear blue Westclox alarm clock model. I don't know what the model is till I look at the bottom, but anyway, just a basic alarm clock really. I mean, there's the circuit board in there. Snooze button. Needs cleaned up because I use it often. The side, the back, the other side. One of the screws got loose and it fell on the thing. Anyway, that's enough of that. It's a model number 49809. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 8 watts, Westclox General Time Corporation, Athens, Georgia, I think, 30607, or Petersburg, Ontario, Canada, made in China. Oh well. UL listed. Got it for $4 at the Goodwill. Some time ago. I've had it for a while. Has the battery thing. I've had this for a while. I've been using it for quite some time. It's been a good little clock. What's the alarm here? Let's do the alarm crap. Maybe. Oh. Maybe. Oh crap. What is the time? 55? 56. Okay, now we wait. And this is what I wake up with every morning. Then you hit the snooze button and turn it off. But yeah, and it works. Everything works on it. It's a good little clock. I gotta get that screw out of there sometime, but hey, it's not bothering me that bad right now. Plus, it's my favorite color, blue. That's why I actually bought it to begin with. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.